you do this, the Lord will continue to help you do more to the people of Imo State. So you are here. I want to welcome you on behalf of the Chief of Staff, Government House, today to Government House to make this presentation.
Have shown in practical terms the commitment of your company in upholding the ideals of today's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. What you are giving us is something very resilient, something that can stand the test of time. For staff here, because if you know how much it cost us, at a point during this lockdown, I was paying almost 6,000 naira per piece of N95 mask. But at the point we had to pay for military escort to bring them across Mabuja. So what you are doing is not small. It's not small at all. So I want to really thank you, because this will go a long way in helping us take care of our clients, those people from Imo State and other Nigeria.
To secure staff and to secure patients. So we are here today to present these 2 units of federal operated hand washing and sanitizing machines on this 14th day of July 2020 to the management, board and staff of this great medical institution. And we also, in the same thing, we are most honored to be hosted by you. Thank you very much.
And so on this day, the 14th of July 2020, Everight Healthcare Foundation released its 2 federal operated hand washing machines to Imo State Specialist Hospital in Elizabeth. Thank you so much. I will
Everight Healthcare Foundation this day donates this machine to this bank, Eastern Bank, today the 8th of July 2020. Thank you.
Thank you. On this day of 8th July 2020, we are grateful to receive this kind of gesture from our beloved customer who remembered us today to assist us on this job of COVID-19. I will not say much, but all I will say is I will communicate to our manager on this wonderful gesture we are doing to us today. Thank you very much.
Those banks, and we know that here in ShopRite we have a high human traffic, and today being the 8th of July 2020, we came here to donate this machine, this pedal operated hand washing machine, to this mall, Everight Mall. We believe that this will help you. We are doing this to support your work in helping to curb the spread of COVID-19 in this city.
Thank you very much. We are sure you will make sure this with us. You manage it